Good evening. Welcome to our channel. My name is Vijit, and today we're going to discuss about one important thing, that is the LinkedIn headline. And I'm going to take you through a couple of people, including myself, how we have defined our headline pertaining to just not the job role what you're doing, but also what you want to showcase to the person or the recruiter or anybody who lands onto your LinkedIn page, right? Let's not waste time. I'm going to take you guys through, as usual, couple of LinkedIn profiles wherein, one such profile, which I would say is this person. His name is Mr. Sudarshan P. He works as a specification consultant in a company called Hilti India. So we're going to go through the experience first, and then we're going to go back to the headline and how the correlation happens, right? He's been a specification consultant for a year and a half. He's been a sales executive. Basically, he's into sales. He's trying to build something up. Hilti is into building materials. It's into more of anchors, manufacturing of anchors, and something to do with builders. So he's been putting up a clear, crystal clear headline that basically says he's building a better future at Hilti, which means to suggest if someone's going to look at Sudarshan, he or she would basically know that this guy is trying to shape up the company's business revenue for future planning, which means it suggests he's into business development, he's an enthusiast into sales, marketing, and brand strategy. Basically, the first part of your headline should just not comprise of your role. Try to avoid redundancy. That's what. This is one of such person whom we have helped creating an awesome headline. Basically, there is no redundancy happening within the experience section because if someone's to search you through LinkedIn, he or she would basically put in the specification consultant or sales manager or regional sales manager. Try to avoid redundancy if you're looking out for a job. Put in redundancy if you're looking out for B2B lead generation and for your clients to look out for you. That's when I'm going to take you through to my profile, how I developed this kind of a headline. So I've been working with sales for a couple of years, so I want to put sales leader converting product value to deals, which means to suggest if someone's to discuss with me, he or she is definitely going to get a deal out of that discussion. And that deal would basically be win-win for both me and that person. So I am a salesperson who's very much clear with that thought process, and I've been a regional sales manager because I'm looking out for lead generation through LinkedIn. I want people to find out me through regional sales manager title, just not from my experience, but also from my headline. The essence of the headline is are twofold. Number one is you need to showcase what you are doing or what you want to do for future organization that you're going to work for. I have been doing converting product value to deals for my current organization. And then you put your organization name followed by your ex company name followed by your designation of MBA or BTech or whatever for the freshers. Or with interns, you could put the ex intern at this company. And then you got to put some awesome keywords where there is no repetitiveness in the headline. For example, I shouldn't be putting sales leader and sales specialist. Sales gets repeated. I shouldn't be putting consultative selling specialist and startup specialist. Specialist is repeating. So you need to ensure you put maximum amount of non-redundant words in the headline, and the headline is basically what defines you, that first impression when someone lands into your LinkedIn page, right? With that being said, let's look into one more profile. He's a close colleague of mine who's been trying to do tons of experimentation. That's Mr. Tilak Raj God. He is general manager. He wants to get identified with this title by his prospects, and he helps brands redefine consumer experience with integrated marketing services. Guys, there is one this big catch with the LinkedIn headline. You have only 120 words to use, wherein the total number of words that can be used is close to 120 characters. If you have only 120 characters, try to plug that 120 to be your best. For someone who's looking out for a job, just don't put I'm open for new opportunities in your headline. That's not going to work. You got to put this hash ONO, which is trending today in LinkedIn, right? Hash ONO slash plug in a one liner. Salesperson clear enough to deliver value wherever I work with. Slash your company name slash your ex company name. You could put something like this for an influencer, right? Helping people reach their goals at ease, helping people monetize their business twofold every year, working along with professionals in such a manner, XYZ. So you got to take your time out to define that killer one line followed by your company name, followed by your ex company name. This is going to work big time. And anybody who lands, this is your introduction before even they go into the about section, followed by last topic we did discuss about profile picture. This topic we're going to discuss about this, and we did discuss about this so far. I strongly suggest this is the first impression, and for that to be the best impression, you got to give the best out there, where you stand out among the rest, right? That being said, if you like this video, please feel free to drop in a comment. I would like to look out for constructive feedback. If you really love what we've been doing, strongly suggest to check out the comments out there and like us on all the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Guess what? Don't forget to subscribe. There is something awesome stuff waiting to come up. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cheers. Have a great day.